Django admin static files 404. I'm using Django version 1.10. Project work fine on debug equals true, but when I set it to false is not. Django just can't find static files. My Django settings looks like. And the earls.py. usb.ini file. ISLO used python manage.py collect static, and it collected everything but still not working. I tried to solve this by reading other articles on this site, but nothing really worked for me. Hope that someone will at last help.
This is the Django dessing. A quote from the docs for static file development view. This view will only work if debug is true. That's because this view is grossly inefficient and probably insecure. This is only intended for local development, and should never be used in production. If you are setting debug equals false, you are probably going to make it production. If so, your static files must be served by a web server, e.g. Nginx, Apache, etc.
Check the YTOS library. It works great for development and production environment. Radically simplified static file serving for Python web apps.